What does Kriya Siddhi workshop do? Now let's see. There is a saying that you create your own reality. This is literally true. We think, and that is not in our hand. We are the human beings who have to think. That's our nature. So we create many thoughts, and these thoughts, when they are repeatedly put in the effort in terms of more energy, they tend to materialize. So in a way, we are already materializing stuff for ourselves. All of us are already doing that. There is nothing new in it. But what is new in it? Giving it the right direction. When you are already materializing, why not materialize something which is useful instead of materializing something which is useless? So in Kriya Siddhi workshop, we focus on techniques which help us in redirecting this power that we already have, the power of materialization, into the right direction and creating the right things for us, not just random stuff that we are as of now creating.